Hi there and welcome. Monique here, the Empress Day Trader. This is a video on momentum indicators and how they work with price action. So this is going to be really good. You're really going to enjoy this video. This is a disclaimer. The presentation is for educational purposes only, so past results are not necessarily indicative of future results, and this is just saying that you understand that there's a high degree of risk involved in trading and that you are trading an adequate amount of risk capital and you are trading your own account. This is not an offer to buy or sell futures or commodity interests, and there's no recommendation being made to buy any stock, commodity, option, or other financial instrument. So if that's what you're looking for, please consult your financial advisor. All right, let's get to the juicy part here. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the S&P 500, the ES, and so this is a MACD momentum indicator. And so it's based off of, it's actually plotting the moving average, the 26 and 9 moving average. Now, momentum indicators, relative strength indicators, they are plotted from price action. So it plots for, price action, and it gives you the momentum or the strength, like the RSI of the market. So when you look at the MACD, so in the training program, we're going to go into more details of the MACD and some other indicators. So in the meantime, we're just going to look at the relationship between the two. So if you can see, you see here that the MACD is on its way up. So it's just really following what the market is actually doing. So the market is actually performing some higher movements, higher price movements. This is an ES chart, and okay, so now that's where developing your skill to recognizing price patterns and pullbacks and retracements, support and resistance areas, that's where your skill is developed in recognizing trends and uptrends and downtrends, because remember, price is king. So no matter what is going on down here, you're still going to have to know how to read price action, because that's where you're going to be taking your trade. That's where the action is actually happening. So you don't want to place so much reliance on your momentum indicators. It's just really a helper. So it's kind of like, riding a bike for the first time, and you have training wheels, and after a while, after you get your balance and you figure it out, you take the training wheels off. So I kind of refer to this as training wheels, and there's certainly no reason why you can't have them on there. However, you want to develop your price action skills. So that's the relationship. That's just the basic relationship between momentum indicators and your price action. But I just want to touch on this really quickly. So do you recognize a price pattern here? It's so clear, right? So let me just get my drawing tools. This is a nice double pattern that was created, double top pattern that was created here. And this is a really nice opportunity to get yourself, set up for a sell opportunity. So then you take your horizontal line, your trend line, and you place it at the resistance area of the double top. And then you place your other trend line, because you want to define that or confirm that this is a double, or could be a double top pattern. So I placed my trend line at the bottom, the pullback of the double top, and sometimes I call it a neckline. All right, so there's two opportunities that's really exciting. There's two opportunities where you could get in to take this trade. You can take the trade here, right at the beginning of it, or you can wait for it to break support and break support or close below support. So you can wait until it's here, and then you might feel more comfortable taking this more conservative trade. Okay, so now let's say, for example, you want to get in more at the top of this double top. So you take your trend line and you draw your trend line and you connect the higher lows. Once you connect the higher lows, now you can see more clearly and more defines where you can possibly get in. So you're looking, for a possible close below this support, or just a break, and then, this would be your target. This would be your target area, okay? Or you can wait till you're here and then take the trade here. So I just wanted to show you what that double top looks like, and that's where your skill of recognizing price action and price patterns come into play. Because now, even though you've got your MACD down here, now your focus is all up here where price action is actually happening. Okay, so that was momentum indicators and price action and how they work together. So stay tuned for the next video, which we're going to talk about compounding. And we get a lot of questions on how to build your account and your trading account. So the next video, we're going to be talking about compounding. So thank you so much.